let me show you how to turn your data into a beautiful interactive chart instantly using Start with Data in Flourish. This one's for you if you're looking to save time, or you're staring blankly at a spreadsheet wondering which chart to use, or you are browsing templates and you're looking for inspiration. So how simple is it? It's as simple as a copy and paste, so let's take a look. Firstly, click Start with Data at the top. Then drop in your data set. Flourish will instantly analyze it and give you chart recommendations. You can browse, you can look at the interactive previews, and you can select with confidence. In this case, I'm going to select pictogram. Then it's fully customizable from there. You can change the colors, the text, the icons, add a title, and much more. And if you need to edit the data, you just simply do it in the Data tab. And when you're ready, hit Export and Publish. And that's really how simple it is to Start with Data. You get from data to visualization in a few simple clicks.